What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out on the river again this morning. Well, actually it's after lunch, but got a late start. Wanted to let it warm up some. High today is going to be in the mid 50s. 70 degrees yesterday. Nice day. I wasn't able to get out, but dropped in the 30s last night, and high today 50s. Even though it's 70 yesterday, the water's still pretty cold. So I don't know if this bass is going to be active today. I'm going to get out here and throw probably a spinnerbait and chatterbait, maybe a jig or something slow if they don't hit this spinnerbait, and see if I can catch some bass. There are some spots and largemouths in here, and some pretty good ones, but don't know if they'll bite today, but we're going to see. If this is your first time here, I'm Brand. You're watching the Dude Fish channel. Welcome to the channel. So guys, y'all come along with me, and let's catch some fish. There he is. Hammered that spinnerbait, guys. Not big, small spotted bass on that booyah spinnerbait. A little spotted bass. See, bud. Water's cold. Even though we had a 70-degree day yesterday, it got down in the 30s last night, and the water's pretty cold, so. There he is, guys. Spinnerbait's about as big as he is. Little guy. He hit it like he wanted it. Hit it hard. They feel a lot bigger in that current. Guys, pretty good. Spinnerbait. Pretty good one on the spinnerbait. I don't know if my camera was running or not. I think it was. Decent little spot. He smashed that spinnerbait. These smashed that spinnerbait, threw it up in that lay down, that tree over there. He was all over it. All over it. He wasn't a giant, but he was a decent size. There you go. Small one. A small guy. Hadn't caught any real big ones today. Couple small ones and one about 1.5 pounds. That's about it. But cold weather, we got them 70 one day and 30 at night. It affects them for sure. It's affecting the bite. I'm just glad to get some bites, period, though, really. I knew it'd be tough, but I didn't know it was going to be. At least I'm catching some. There he is, guys. Put on the Texas rig yum crawl. Or flipping around some of this brush and stuff. Spot. Probably the biggest one of the day so far. I missed another pretty good one a while ago. He ran toward the boat. I missed him. I didn't get a good hook set on him. Yum crawl, just throwing it on a 1/2 ounce Texas rig 2/0 hook. Green pumpkin yum crawl. He's just over there on that runoff over there. Yeah, guys, this is just a 2.75 yum crawl green. I think that's watermelon candy. Throwing it on a 1/2 ounce tungsten weight and a 2/0 wide gap hook. Golly. There's a fish. That was a fish. Popped it up. There he is. I threw back in there. I missed him. Threw back in there and caught him. Looks like a good one. Might be the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah. He's about as big as that last one. He's not a giant. But that's definitely the biggest one of the day, but he's not a giant by no means. He's a little bigger than that last one I caught. Got him on that yum craw. I threw in there and picked it up. He was on there, and I set the hook and pulled it out of his mouth. Threw it back over there, and he hammered it. Stuck him that second time. Smaller one. Not as big as that last one, but we will take him. Little guy, spotted bass. That might be the biggest one of the day, guys. Oh yeah. That's definitely the biggest one of the day, guys, on the yum craw. Largemouth. About 2.5 to 3 pounds probably. Had a little run in over there. About a foot of water through that craw over. I seen him wake at it. Picked my line up. He was running sideways. Set the hook and got him. Luckily I got him in. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's trip. Got out here for about 4.5 hours. Didn't get out here till late, probably 12 or so, I think, after when I got here. 11:30, 12. Just about 4 hours, and after that cold front last night, I'm really excited just to catch. I've caught a few that I did. I caught a few on a spinnerbait and a couple on the that yum craw. I'm fixing to load up and head to the house and get out of here. I appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers for joining the channel. I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.